Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dhewangga Adhiputera. I'm a student from English Education Department, Dhewangga University. My student's number is 2121222064 and I'm from Class B. So today I'm going to make a video for my statistics
educational
in linguistic research Midtest. So we already have several data here and a table. What we are going to do is calculate the data using descriptive statistics with calculation process. So the first thing we have to do is move all of this data into the score table. First, block all the data. Just click on the A. Now we already blocked all of the data. And then click data, click advanced, OK. Copy to another location, copy to, click in the C2 right here. Unique record only checklist, don't forget, and press OK. Now we already have data moved into the score table, and then we have to delete this number because it is duplicate. Just delete this and then block and cut and paste right here. Now we already have the score. Now we have to find frequency. To do this, we have to press equal, countif, double click on countif, and block all the data like earlier, semicolon, and click in the first score. Enter. And we have to tarik ke bawah seperti ini. We already have the frequency, and then we have to find the sum of the score and frequency. First, we have to insert this sum symbol. Where is it? Where is it? Insert symbol. Sum symbol. And insert. Now, and then right here, press equal, sum, and then block all the score. Oops. Equal, sum, double click first, block all the score, and then enter. Now we already have the sum of the score. And then do like this. Now we already have the sum of the frequency as well. So the next step is find the score multiply with frequency. First, press equal, and then click in the score like this, in the first score, press equal, and then click on the first score, and then multiply, like this symbol, and then click in the first frequency. Enter, and then do like this, and do like this. So we already have the score multiply frequency and also the sum of score multiply frequency. So next we have to find x minus mean. Before do that, we have to find the mean first. How can we find the mean? Mean is the sum of x times f divided by the sum of frequency. So in this section, just press equal the sum of x times f divided by sum of frequency and enter. Oops, sorry, move it to here. Now we already have the mean. So now to find score minus mean, we have to press equal, press the first score, and then minus symbol, and click mean. Don't forget to add the dollar symbol in mean, like this. This is for log the mean. Jadi ini tuh digunakan untuk mengunci karena mean itu hanya ada satu kan. Jadi kita harus mengunci angka yang menjadi mean tersebut. Jadi now press enter. Now we already have the first x min minus mean. And do like this again. And do the sum as well. Now we already have the x minus mean and also the sum of x minus mean. Next, we have to find x minus mean square. First is press equal, and then click in the first x minus mean, and then do the square symbol, like this, and enter. So we already have the first score minus mean square. Just do like this again, and don't forget to the sum as well. All right. Now, the last table is finding the frequency times score minus mean square. It's easy. Just click, press equal first, and then click the first frequency and time symbol, multiply symbol, and then just click in the x minus mean square and enter. Now we already have the first frequency times x minus mean square. And then just do like this again. And like this. So we already have the sum of the frequency times x minus mean square. And then we have to find mode. Mode is the score that often appears. Let's see here. Now, 80 is the mode because it has 7 frequency, the biggest one. So just type it. And then range. Range is the max of the data of the score minus the small score. So just type equal, click 96, minus symbol, 54, and then enter. So we already have the range, and then we find the median. Median is the middle data. So let's see here, we have 40 data. So the middle data of 40 is 20. So because it is even, so we have to add the 20th data with the 21st and then divide it by 2. Just type equal, and then in parentheses, click this, oops, click the 20th data plus the 21st and divide 2. So we already have the median. And next, we have to find the quartile one. To do this, we have to add the sum of frequency plus 1 and then divide it by 4. So just type equal, the sum of frequency is 40, in parentheses, don't forget, times plus 1 and divided by 4. Enter. So we already have the first quartile. And the second quartile, we have to type equal, just like earlier, like the first quartile. Sum of frequency, the sum of frequency plus 1 and divided by 2. Enter. Now we already have the quartile 2, and next we have to find the quartile 3. So to find this quartile 3, or the third quartile, is type equal, in parentheses, sum of frequency plus 1, and then multiply with 3 divided by 4 and enter. We already have the third quartile. So next we have to find the interquartiles. Just to do this, just type equal and then third quartile minus first quartile, 20.5. Next, we have to find the variance. To do this, we have to find the sum of frequency times score minus mean square. Type equal, click in this, and then divide it by, in parentheses, the sum of frequency minus 1 and enter. So we already have the variance, and then we have to find the standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of variance. Just type equal SQRT, double click, and then click the variance and enter. So now we already have the standard deviation. Now we have to find the score of quartile 1. So to do this, we have to look at this is 10.25. So we have to find the 11 data in this. The 11 data is 66. So just type 66. And the quartile 2, we have to find the 21st because it is 20.5. 21st is 78. And the third quartile is, we have to look at the 31st data, 84. If you don't believe, we can prove it. I can prove it with the Excel, rumus Excel. Type equal, type quartiles in, double click, block all the data, semicolon, first quartile, double click, and enter. So it is the same. And do the same with quartile 2 and quartile 3. Equal, quartile int, double click, block all the data, and then semicolon, second quartile, and enter. The same, right? And the last thing is do the same. block all the data, semicolon, third quartile, enter. All of this is the same. So the last thing is insert the polygon. To do this, we have to block the score and the frequency like this, and then insert recommended charts and enter. So now we already have the polygon, and just rapihin aja, tinggal dirapihin aja. Don't forget to add border. Now, so we already done with this video. I hope you understand it. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.